So, stoplight. Got my right foot on the rear brake. Left hand's got the clutch pulled in. Right hand's on the throttle, just in case someone decides to come up behind me and give me a love tap. And just watching what's going on in the intersection. Always got to watch out when the light changes for people running the light, taking off early. I got a cube van behind me now. And I got a crossing guard there. Awesome. It can help me get through the street. We got some guys over on the corner that are probably going to walk across. All kinds of things to look out for. Advanced green. Someone's turning right. Got a red light up there where the pedestrian crossing is, where the railway tracks used to be. So I could go left. Next stoplight, stopped in the same ready position, and just watching out for what's coming up from behind. Got my bike pointed to go through the cars in case somebody wants to hit me. Nobody wants to hit me. Well, maybe the Honda wants to hit me. Who knows?